हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल एमबीए पाठशाला। तो एमबीए पाठशाला ने आप लोगों की स्पीड बूस्ट करने के लिए, आपकी टेस्ट टेकिंग एबिलिटी को इंप्रूव करने के लिए एक फ्री डेली क्विज का इनिशिएटिव लिया है, जिसको आप लोग हमारे पोर्टल पर www.mbapathshala.com पर जाकर हमारा जो फ्री कोर्सेज का सेक्शन है, कैट 2026 फ्री प्रिपरेशन एक कोर्स है, उसमें एनरोल करके आप डेली बेसिस पर एक फ्री क्विज लगा सकते हो। ये क्विजेज आप लोगों के एग्जाम यानी कि कैट 2026 तक हम लोग प्रोवाइड कराने वाले हैं। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर इसका एनालिसिस मिलेगा, क्विज रहेगी हमारे पोर्टल पर।
Hi friends, welcome to MBA Pathshala. So in today's daily dose of MBA Pathshala, let us do this particular very interesting uh, logical reasoning set of distribution and comparison. So here, if you have not done till now this particular set, take a pause and first try to do it yourself. Okay, then go through the solution. Here, we are given that at the mid-season art fair, 4 top awards were given for collage painting, holography, laser etching, and sculpture among artists A, B, C, and D. Because the curator of the art fair expresses himself using negative phrasing, the results are given through 6 negative clues. Okay, so here there are 4 artists A, B, C, D. Individually they are submitting collage painting. One is submitting collage painting, one is holography, one laser etching, and one sculpture, and they are awarded the top 4 award, first award, second award, third award, fourth award. Okay, but here the manager or curator, in the case of that art fair, instead of manager we use the word curator, so he expresses himself in negative phrasing always. Okay, so he is giving 6 clues. Actually, the artist A did not win first place. He is not saying that artist A won first place. He is saying did not win first place and did not enter holography. So he is giving all the information in negative phrasing. Okay, so we have to identify who has got which position, which particular art he has submitted. So questions will be based on that. Already you have attempted, so you have seen that the questions will be on that. So let us solve it. For that we have to make a table. So we have got here how many variables? We have got 3 variables. The attributes in each of the variable, they are 4 in number, but the variables, they are name of the artist, that is one variable. Another is the award they are getting, first, second, third, fourth, that is another variable, the awards. And the third one is, or place we can say, and the third one is the art that they are submitting. Okay, in each of these variable there are 4 attributes, that is in name there are 4, A, B, C, D. In places there are 4, first, second, third, fourth, and in arts that they are submitting, again 4. So we have to make a table first. So this slide we have already made a table. Let us try to fill it. So one of the variable we can make as the fixed variable, that we will put in this column. Now that can be either name of the person or even the place that they are getting, that is first, second, third, fourth, or we can take that as the art that they are submitting. Anyone we can take that as the fixed variable. Let us take the name as the fixed variable. So name, that is A, B, C, D. So let us take name as the fixed variable. So here the place that they are getting, that is first, second, third, fourth, and here the art that they are submitting. Now, as we are given the negative information, the artist A did not win first place. We can write it like this, that one will not come here and did not enter holography. So that we can write as here holography will not come. The second point is the fourth place was neither won by the sculpture nor the holography. Now we have made the fixed variable as the name of the person, but this particular point is not talking about a particular person, A, B, C, D. It is talking about the fourth place and the art, neither sculpture nor holography. So we cannot put that information directly in the table because here fixed variable is name. If we have taken the place as the fixed variable, then obviously we could have put that in the fourth, in the front of fourth, it cannot be a sculpture or holography. But as we have taken name, we should put this information outside. So here we can put it like this, that fourth place, that will not be of a sculpture and also not of holography. Okay, so in that fashion we can put. Now the third point is the collage painting was not entered by A or C. So it is talking about a person, A or C. So we can directly put it here. A has not put collage painting, nor C has put collage painting. And did not place first or second. So collage painting itself is neither first nor second. So that we have to put outside. Now, the fourth point is the fourth place was neither won by artist B. So, again it is talking about the name. So, directly we can put it here. The fourth place was neither won by artist B nor by laser etching. So, this fourth place is not won by laser etching also. That means only now it is so much negative, the fourth place, that it has become positive. Fourth place is neither taken by sculpture, nor holography, nor laser. That means only one thing is left, that is collage painting. So now we can say that fourth place is actually occupied by collage painting. So fourth place, collage painting, that is now fixed. Let us move to the next point. The third place was neither won by artist B nor artist C. So third place was won by neither artist B nor artist C. Okay, so third place artist B nor artist C. Okay, now here, as the fourth place is won by collage painting, and we can see that collage painting cannot come in front of A, neither in front of C, and B cannot win fourth place. Here we have already known that B cannot win fourth place. Fourth place was neither won by artist B. So fourth place cannot be won by artist B, and fourth place is collage painting actually. So we can safely say that collage painting will also not come here, because collage painting is now associated with fourth place. So only one place is left for collage painting, and that is this. So this will be collage painting and this will be the fourth place. D occupies fourth place. Okay, now third place is not occupied by either B or C. That means third place is occupied by A. Okay, so here the third place was neither won by artist B nor artist C, that we have used. Now, last point, the laser etching was not entered by artist A. So here we cannot put laser etching. So neither holography nor collage nor laser. So that means this is a sculpture. Okay. So the laser etching was not entered by artist A and did not place second. So now laser etching is not second. So that means laser etching is actually neither third nor fourth, because they are collage sculpture and collage painting respectively, and laser etching nor second. That means this is first. So we know now laser etching is first. That means the second position, that is occupied by, which one is left? Holography. So holography is second. So that is the information. Now which one is second, which one is third out of B and C? that we do not know. So here we have the information that third is actually a sculpture, and that is won by A. Okay, B and C, which one is winning first award, which one is winning second award, that is not known. But laser painting is actually, laser etching is winning first award and holography is winning second, that is known. So this much information known. Let us move to the questions. So the first question is, which art form was awarded fourth place in the competition? Now we can see that the fourth place in the competition, it is collage. So the answer will be collage painting. The second question, who was the third place winner and which entry did they submit? So who was the third place winner? That is decided. A was the third place winner and he submitted a sculpture. So the answer will be option A, artist A with a sculpture. Now third question is, which artist finished in fourth place? So that is also decided. Which artist finished fourth place? That is artist D. So here that is artist D, option D. And fourth question, which art entry won first place? Now that is also decided, which art entry won first place. So that is laser etching. So laser etching won. Who won, B or C, that is not known. But laser etching, that art won first place. So we have to sorry, we have to tell the art. Okay, so that is laser etching. One option, fourth question, option B. And now the last one, which of the following statements must be true? Artist B definitely won first place. That we cannot say. Artist B can win first place or even second place. So that is saying definitely true. That is not the case. Holography was submitted by artist A and finished in second place. No, that is not the case. Holography finished in second place, that we know, but that was not submitted by artist A. So that means that is also not correct. Option C, artist C finished in either first or second place. Now artist C definitely finished in either first or second. Maybe B finished first, then C finished second. Maybe B finished second and C finished first. So definitely artist C finished either first or second. So this is correct. Laser etching finished in third place? No, laser etching finished in first place actually. So that is also not correct. So for this, which one is definitely true? That is option C. So this completes the solution of this particular set.